So AMD was all set to launch their new Radeon RX 9070 XT graphics card, and let's just say, it was bumpier than a teenager's first driving lesson. Word on the street is that NVIDIA's been playing hardball with their pricing, making it tough for AMD to keep up. It's like NVIDIA showed up to the GPU party with a six-pack of discounts, and AMD's standing there with a half-eaten bag of chips. And get this, AMD was supposed to unveil the RX 9070 XT at CES 2025, but they pulled it last minute. It's like planning a big birthday bash and then canceling because your cooler cousin decided to throw a concert next door. Rumor has it, AMD's been shipping these new GPUs to retailers, but they're holding off on the big reveal. It's like they've baked the cake but are too nervous to serve it because someone else brought a fancier dessert. Meanwhile, NVIDIA's out there dropping their RTX 50 series, putting the squeeze on AMD. It's like NVIDIA's the overachieving sibling who just got another promotion, and AMD's trying to be happy while secretly rethinking their life choices. But hey, competition's good, right? It means better prices for us. Theoretically. In reality, it's more like watching two rich guys argue over who has the better yacht while we're just hoping for a decent paddle boat. So here's to hoping AMD smooths out those bumps and NVIDIA eases up on the pressure. Because at the end of the day, we just want to play our games without taking out a second mortgage. Remember, in the tech world, the only constant is that there's always a new drama around the corner. I'm out, folks. See you in the next one.